In this video lecture, we are going to deal with Python-Tuples. Python-Tuples. The agenda of this video lecture is introduction, introducing tuples, creating a tuple, accessing elements in a tuple, packing and unpacking, assignment and unpacking. Of course, we will do these two things, packing and unpacking. Comparing tuples, two tuples. Using tuples as keys in dictionary. Using tuples as keys in dictionary. Deleting tuples, Python tuple methods, built-in functions with tuple, advantages of tuple over list. If at all you compare with the list is a mutable, whereas a tuple is a immutable. And moreover, one more difference is for tuple we are going to use parentheses, functional parentheses, whereas for list it is square brackets or array braces. The difference between list and tuple is that lists are declared in square brackets and can be changed, while tuple is declared with parentheses and cannot be changed. However, you can take portions of existing tuples to make new tuples. A tuple is created by placing all the elements inside a parenthesis separated by comma. The parentheses are optional, but it is good practice to write it. Of course, you can write like this, but you have to mention like this for your understanding. Of course, obviously, tuple also supports homogeneous data types. You got my point. Accessing elements in a tuple, of course, you can access like this, minus in reverse direction, 0, -1 reverse direction starting. From forward indexing, it is 0. It starts with 0. You can include a list in a tuple. You can, of course, you can access like this. You can 3 0. It is a third 0 1 2 3 0 3 1. You got my point. Slicing, of course, I already mentioned you. Forward, backward. You got my point. All tuples are immutable. You cannot change it once you created that one. That means constant. You cannot change it. Contents of the tuple. But you can concatenate, you can slice them, and you can able to create new one. For the existing one, you cannot change the order and contents. You can see that 0 1 2 3 we are updating, and there is error. But you can concatenate, you can increase or something. Once it is there, you cannot. Python has tuple assignment feature which enables you to assign more than one variable at a time. You can see that ram is equal to name comma age comma location. You have to put name comma age comma location. You can see that. Packing and unpacking. Packing and unpacking. You see that. These variables are assigned at a time to the RAM. Packing. This is nothing but packing. Assigning individual values to some variable. Same way, single name in reverse. Reverse is not unpacking. Corresponding value will be stored in company, employee, number of employees, and profile. Like that. Comparing tuples, two tuples can be compared. If they do not compare using either assignment or less than greater than, then it proceed to the second element and so on. Generally, first element will be compared. After that, if those two are equal, after next character will be checked. You can see that 5 6 1 4 5 6 5 6 5 6 8 4 84, 55, then 64. Using tuples as keys in dictionaries. That means since tuples are hashable, a list is not, we must use tuple as the key if we need, if at all we need to create a composite key in a dictionary. Of course we will see, of course you can see that it is the key. Got my point? You can use this tuple key value pair. You can use this key as tuple. Got my point? Tuples and dictionary, A items. Of course you can convert this into dot items, and where you can able to convert into some dictionary is going to be converted into corresponding tuple. You got the point? Items method. By using items method, we can able to convert dictionary into tuples. Deleting tuples by just using del and corresponding. You cannot delete individual elements as in list. Python tuple methods. Delete x. Of course, this is also not possible. Delete x. Tuples are immutable, cannot be deleted, but deleting tuple entirely is possible by using the keyword del x. Okay, this is possible. After that one there is no okay. Python tuple methods. Of course we have count, index. Different methods are there. Tuple membership operator, membership test. Print a in, b in. You got to find like that. Built-in functions with tuples like all, any, enumerate, max, min, sorted, length, tuple. You got my point. You try all these ones at least once. You got my point. In Python IDLE, you try at least once. Advantages of tuple over list. Iterating through tuple is faster than with the list. Since tuples are immutable because they are constants, axing on the constant is very easy. I mean, because it does not allow to change it. You got my point. Tuples that consist of immutable elements can be used as keys for dictionary, which is not possible with list. If you have data that is immutable, implementing it as a tuple will guarantee that it remains write protected.